idol worship and temples. Have you ever wondered as to why does the Indian civilization have so many gods, so many kinds of idols, so many temples? As per the Indian philosophy, the Supreme One has manifested into different forms to represent various forces, principles and functions of the cosmos, classified into Devi, Devta, the functional forces, Bhagwan, Tattva, the principles. The Indian temples that were built as a sanctorum to worship these forces were designed to also act as a community activity center. The tall temples, which had a deep foundation, were capable of surviving natural calamities. With copper on top and earthing of the sanctorum with a copper wire, the temple was also capable of withstanding lightning bolts from the skies. The alcoves of the tall temple towers were used for the safekeeping of seeds, grains, and other life essentials for survival of the people during mass disaster. The underground walls were used for securing gold and other precious artifacts for revival of the village in case of any major calamity. Every temple had one or more natural spring-based water tanks attached to it, called Pushkarni, for harnessing water. Pushkaram means to make fertile. Other than helping people cleanse themselves before congregating, these tanks were harbingers of fertility to the land as they helped increase the water table in the village. The temples also served as a community kitchen and dining where food offered to the deity was shared as prasad, a community meal. Thus, the village community grew around the temple and the temple tank. The temple pattern, design and architecture from India was also replicated all over Southeast Asia due to the spread of Indian influence to these areas, some of the renowned ones being Prambanan in Java, Indonesia, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, the Candace in Southeast Asia, the temples of Bali. There is a similarity between Indian temples and tradition of Egypt, ancient Turkey, Azerbaijan, Central Asia, as well as with that of Central and South America. Eugene Emmanuel Viollet de Luc, the celebrated French architect and art historian of the 1800s, had said, "The Mayans who traveled from ancient India to ancient Central America were great builders by profession. When they traveled over the seas, they took their skills of building large monuments along with the basic measurement systems because the base measure and the square grid methodology of Vastu is common between the structures of India and that of the Mayan civilization of Central America. The home of knowledge, wisdom and fine craftsmanship for thousands of years. This is amazing India."